Boom, what's up viewers and subscribers? You don't know, so it's a boy Fayskull and welcome back to my channel, you know what I mean? Alright, so the Masicka album finally dropped and we have it up here upon the screen. You see me, I say, so we'll just go through it quick and fast. So, guys, based upon the reviews over me here, you see me, I say, the album sound like it's another hit album by Masicka. You see me, I say, see a lot of reviews that people do about it and the reviews them good. You see me? So this album actually have 17 tracks.
For just 60.
You see me? The album have 17 tracks, people. So we have a few collabs in them. Me hear Craft in it, Junior Gang Day night, me hear Afrobeat song in it. Well, one Afrobeat song me hear in it. You see me? I say, and it is basically a nice album. Me list all right so far, but based on the one me hear so far, the song what me like out of it would have be like Shaka Zulu. This is Shaka Zulu. You see me? This is Shaka Zulu. This would have be like, it sound like a mix from 50 Cent. One of 50 Cent song. You see me? I say, but as I can hear it, I can listen and hear it. Yeah. But as me I said, me not listen to it so far. Me listen all I sound them so far. Me know say the one sounds a day, one sounds a day with Junior Gang, that the song there is a banger. You see me I say, let's take a little preview. Yeah. This a song I go run road. You see me? This a run road. And then you have Oak Tree. You see me? Oak Tree. Then you have Pointless. Beside number 3 song on it. I think Pointless is a girl song, you know. You see me? When me hear it, it is sound like a girl song. I don't remember. Because at one time I listen to it. I skip out some of it and
reaches, so much time will last. Still lift the mountain.
No, on a girl song. On a girl song. It sound like a life song. Hold on there.
For blast. Take your life so fast.
But that, you see the song, yeah? That song is a song for meds too. You see me? Pointless. Pointless, the song Pointless is a song for meds too. You see me? It's a good song. Then after that you have the number 4 song, which is Shaka Zulu. I think Shaka Zulu are the girl song me hear, you know. Hold on, the Azza play the Azza. I think that song I want girl song. Hold on there. One general you making them a fool you. Machine pan the dirt every whip on you. No, the girl song this. Hold on there. Living big, ring, my phone, them the winning kid. But Shaka Zulu is also a bad song. You see me, I said, and then have Spend. Everybody know Spend. Me do a reaction video on this, so I must say. Song go like, spend me money, spend, I say, I spend money on pussy. You see me, I say, that is a one bad song too. Maybe I can get good on the side. Bad song. I think I'm good at the girl song, you know. Hold on there. Keep out some hold on. Alright. That song about the fuck. This is a bad song. Good. Take, you know, I recommend the song. The song is a bad song. You see me? Everybody know Sleep On Side. That's a hit song. 10 million views currently. G-Wagon. I think this is the Afrobeat song, you know. Yeah. But it's the Afrobeat song. Yeah, man, that's a good song. Yo, me nah lie. All of the song them good. All of the song them bad. They can meds all of the song them. You see me I say? Alright, you have Honor Roll featuring Craft. This is the song with Craft from me I talk about. This bad too.
Alright. Dazzling them, yeah. Alright. My full clip, you know I'm about the road. I carry tell me say she never love another soul. I say make her kiss strong and fair one. Your hardly can.
Martin hear the Craft part. Yeah, that are the Masicka and Craft, Honor Roll. Bad song. Then why no Beast? Sorry, Bossy, why no Bossy? Bossy, you see me? Cross the Water. I think this is one girl song too, you know.
Head them in trouble now. Pocket full of bloody masters. Glove is on when never.
Not a girl song this.
Like Pepsi Frata, run them down till breath a shatter. Cause we're stuck in bricks to fucking riches.
Cross the Waters. Bad song too. Wicked Spell. I think this is the next girl song, you know. Hold on there.
One.
No.
Send which boy, which girl call me. Pussy me have me pistol by me.
It's a gun song. Alright. It's not too late. Hold on there.
What if you could make a song using only your voice? Let's start with the drums.
We are going to freeze. Father, cover me, please. Push over the beast. We feel.
Yeah, so as I can see, I 13 song my job, you see me? Make me stop. I'm not really gonna further from that. But based on what me listen so far, the song of me rate the most out tight is Shaka Zulu, Pointless, you see me? And Psalms of the Year. Psalms of the Year go run the road, bro. Psalms of the Year is a hit song. You see me? Shaka Zulu have a different vibes. You see me? Have a more hip-hop dancehall vibes. You know what I mean? Good is more like a girl song. You see me? That one is a girl song. So that song they have for the girl them. You see me? Yeah. This is a good album to run the whole road. You see me? I say those are the songs in pan the album. You see me? 17 songs. There's a song for everybody. Song for everybody can listen to. You see me? I say and vibes too. That run the whole place. You see me? Up until December or whenever. You see it? This is it for this video. You see me? I say if you like the album, you know what I mean? More job. Which song are your favorite song in the comment section? You see me? I say people. Until next time, people. Fayskull, let's go.